Hi dear viewers, this is Arash Kamali with another session of the website programming course under Python programming language and the Django framework. If you remember well, in the previous session we added the date to our news, and using the time zone that we defined for the system, we extracted the date and learned how to add or deduct some days or months to our date. Now in this session we want to use the local time so that we can change the Roman calendar to Shamsi, which is the date used in Iran. To do so, we are going to need a function. This function has been written inside a file called Date Converter .py that I have set in the videos alongside it. You can download it. We are going to use this file in my project and in the main app. That is, if now here check the main app, the date converter has been added. As I said, you can download it alongside this file. We add the file to our project. That's right, the number of characters has been checked here, like the way we did. And here we need to import this file. To import this file, we say from, that's right, that's what we are doing, dot date, okay, converter. Very well, everything is going all right. Import, that's right, isn't that? Shamsi is our new date format. The first thing we do is to import the library for the Shamsi calendar, and because we aren't using the library in the main app, we need to mention the main. It is no longer connected directly. If we wanted to use it in the main, we won't be needing to do so. Using .date converter would do, but because now we are in another app, we need to import it using main.date converter. And then for using it here, as you see, for instance, here we remove these extra codes that are not necessary. And now, as you might expect, here we say today short for today short for Shamsi today, and we say Shamsi date, and here the values that we need to give it: year, month, and date. All right, we add these. Okay, and for instance we use print as today. Okay, that's right. Now let's check to see how the day looks. Oh, we got an error here. We need to make sure to change the date, so let's change it. To remove the error, we need to write int year, okay, comma, that's right, int month, and comma, int day. That's right. Now we refresh the page and there's no error. And let's check the output: 12/7/30/98, which equals 4/10/2019. So what is my date? It's Shamsi now. Okay, all right. These changes were applied using the Shamsi date function that we made, and as you see here, the both numbers of the months and the date have a 0 now, and then there is a slash. We can use as today that we have printed anywhere, we want to get the Shamsi date and then save, so that it is how we personalize the date by using the Shamsi function. And this file which we added to our project, we change the date to Shamsi and we use whatever we want.